What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band gather another beautiful photos from LV Deep Time. They also posted on Instagram showing the beautiful room they stayed for days. Recess Beer Band showed the outside that it has a sea and a cute pool, and the inside of the room has a big dining area, kitchen, that it feels like their own home. She also showed to everyone that she was so happy strolling at Acropolis, eating a delicious food, drinking wine that has a good taste, and before she wants to go home, she wants to experience many things in Athens. As you can see, Ursa's beer band her looks so cute and happy. Today, Mark Prin released the behind the scene of the NY proposal and revealed the meaning of the necklace of snow cones. Snow cones means it was an Italian word that calls darling as a husband and wife. Nadek Kosra says no comes already after the big event for his proposal, and it's a full of love, especially when they came home in Thailand. As you can see, each couples are look so happy and enjoy.